Hello guys, welcome back to Morningstar. In this video, I'll be discussing about this stock. The name of the stock is Bodal Chemical, right? Bodal Chem. Yeah, Bodal Chemicals. I don't know if it's pronounced as Bodal or Bodal. Anyway, we'll discuss the logic behind this trade, the entry as well as the exit strategies as well. You can see here, this is pretty much straightforward here, guys. If you have watched my previous videos, you'll be able to see that you'll be able to understand that the stock has taken multiple rejections from this resistance zone that we have drawn here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the sixth time, that is on the 2nd of March 2021, it has given a breakout. So after the breakout, as I always say, we'll wait for a retrace. The retrace will happen here, right? This is where the retrace has happened. Now, in order for the entry, you'll switch over to a lower time frame, but we will never go anywhere lower than 1 hour. So this is where the retrace, the breakout has occurred, and you'll wait for a retrace. This is where the retrace is occurring. This candle, you can see here, it is almost showing signs of bullish reversal. You won't call it bullish reversal because it has some significant wick at the top, so you can wait again for confirmation. Now you can enter here, somewhere here, right? You'll be able to enter somewhere here. This is a trend line that I have drawn just for reference. Okay, you can delete it. I can delete it, no issues here at all. So this is somewhere where you'll enter, or else on the next day after it has tested the trend zone again. This is a good bullish candle, even though it is not an engulfing candle. It is showing some sign of reversal. You can enter somewhere at 88 rupees. You could have entered. Even now it is buying price, I would say 91. It has not left a zone of buying zone. It is still playing somewhere in the buying zone. Now where will you put your target as? We'll switch over to the 1 day time frame to find out the target. See, even previously this stock has on a downtrend. It gave a breakout, retested the trend line, and let us see how much returns it has provided. Okay, this is somewhere like July 2020 to November 2020. After the breakout, it retested the line. If you had entered somewhere here till this resistance zone, you would have been able to book 32% in a matter of 44 days. So now for our target, for the entry that we are discussing here, we will switch over to the daily time frame. We'll scroll out a bit. Yeah, this is the point. I'll delete it and I'll draw it again. You will be able to see that the stock has faced significant resistance here previously. If you draw a horizontal line there, you'll be able to see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it was unable to, even though it did break once above this resistance zone, it was unable to sustain. It came back down. So this is where we'll be looking to sell this particular stock. We'll enter here. Even now it's entry time. I would say tomorrow is Mahashivaratri. We won't be able to enter the stock. Day after tomorrow, you can keep this in your watch list, and if you are convinced enough, you can enter. Why I'm saying this is, see, the breakout was accompanied with a volume break as well. On the 2nd of March, the number of units traded was 9.19 million units of stock. So when you compare it with the volume nearby, you'll be able to see that it is a volume break as well. So you can keep this in your watch list, and this is where I will plan my exit. I have not entered the stock yet because all my funds are in some other stocks which we have discussed previously. So I'm still holding on to those positions. I will not be able to enter this, but still I'm sharing it with you. If somebody else finds it helpful, I'll feel grateful. No, yeah, like I said, if you enter somewhere here. Right, let us assume you're entering somewhere at 90 rupees. You'll be able to book a return of 43%. I'm not really sure how long it will take to achieve or hit this target, but you can see the momentum here, guys. See, just over the course of the last 7 days, the stock has given a return of 37%. Okay, so that is really good momentum. It has broken the resistance zone with really good momentum. So you can keep this in your watch list. Additionally, what I would like to say is you will be able to see some sort of this zone. It's not a zone here. This particular area, the stock had faced some sort of resistance here, right? And how many trading sessions was it stuck here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 10 days. Additionally, if you would like to, you can plan your exit here as well. Okay, If it is unable to break above this particular area of 100 rupees, almost around 100 rupees, you'll be able to exit here as well. And afterwards, once it touches this particular resistance and it comes back down and it breaks this resistance, and you'll be able to enter it again and ride it until 128 rupees 80 paise, 128 rupees almost. So you can keep this stock in your watch list. Let us see how it performs. Alright guys, thank you. I'll be posting one more video today.